Sentry's patent-pending C-Trac provides exceptional side-to-side stabilization for base organizers. This revolutionary component replaces the upper slide in all Sentry base cabinet organizers while reducing pull force, noise, and installation time. The C-Trac is designed for side applications and top applications. In this video, we'll walk through the installation of a top application. The C-Trac Top Application can be installed in 4 steps. First, attach the slide kit to the floor of your cabinet. Second, attach the aluminum track to the top of your opening. Third, attach the L bracket to the back panel of the organizer. And fourth, make your final adjustments and add your set screws. After removing the slide kit from the organizer, attach it to the floor of the cabinet. We'll center it left to right using the center markings in the floor mount bracket, and then the setback from the front should be 1/8 of an inch from where our door stops. In this case, we're using a full overlay door, so we have it set back about 1/8 of an inch from the front of the face frame to the front of the slide, and then screwing it in the adjustable holes provided. Now that we have our slide kit installed, we can attach our aluminum track to the top of our cabinet opening. So to do this, we're going to ensure that it's centered left to right, and then the setback is going to be the same as our slides, about 1/8 of an inch from where the door stops. Our third step is to attach the L bracket to the back panel of our organizer with the bushing facing back, the L facing back. This will then glide inside the track. To find the placement for the screw in the upright slot, measure the overall opening height, subtract 3 9/16, and then measure that distance from the bottom, and that will show you the center. And then we center it left to right. With the L bracket attached to the back panel, we can now put our organizer into the opening and determine if our placement height is correct. At this point, we can determine whether we need to make any adjustments to our bracket. We would expect to see 1/8 of an inch between the top of the bushing and the inside of our track, which we do. And we'd want to check left and right to ensure that our margins are correct. In this case, they are. So now we can put our final set screws in the bracket. If the unit is binding when it's opening and closing, here are 2 things to check. First, ensure that the track has been mounted flat against the opening and it's not tilted in some way because of a screw or piece of dirt that got wedged in there. And second, ensure that the bracket has been mounted parallel to the sides of the cabinet and is not tilted one way or the other. Both of those can cause binding in the opening and closing. If you have other questions, please contact customer service at service@sentrymade.com or call us at 330-852-3610. Thank you for choosing Sentry as your American-made source for premium kitchen and bath organization accessories.